Some trips are for exploring. This one was for exhaling. 5 days of soft mornings, warm company, and space to breathe.
Ceviche on coconut milk.
Yeah.
I got my food. Good morning. Ooh. It's not raining anymore. Sakto na lang. Local siya.
Yeah, local. Everything here you can see is local.
Name is Balenciaga.
Yeah.
Balenciaga.
Yes. But Negrense version.
Cute! Sobrang cute na bet ko to.
Yeah, so the owner is actually Miss Del Rey, Spanish blood relate.
Oh my God, it's nice. Wow.
Pwede pa-arbor.
Cute! Look at that.
What do we have?
For lunch, we're having bangusisig, binakol, scallops, and then gambas.
Cute! Yay! Influencer, laban. Ilaban yan. Ayaw mo talaga i-try. Baka yung soup, pero ayoko yung chicken. Hindi kasi ako kumakain ng tinola. Hindi ko bet yung...
Ay, ng may sabaw na
Ayoko
manok.
yung-
Feeling niya nagsiswimming yung manok.
Oo, ayoko yung manok na may sabaw.
Ayaw mo rin ng fish na may sabaw.
Ayoko ng fish na may sabaw. Ayoko ng kaldereta ng
Red
red
sauce.
sauce.
For short, she doesn't like Filipino food.
Pero mahilig ako sa sinigang at adobo.
The landscaping and then the interior design was made by our owner, Miss Christina. So, full-size suite, so 4 rooms na individually siya. This could be booked privately as well so that you could have this exclusive lang sa inyo. Then we
Ang galing ng spa. Holy Akala mo church, no? Ayoko nga! Hindi ko na rin yung bride, no? Hindi natin parehas. Will you be my...
Sino lalaki sa atin, Rani?
Parang sa outfit natin yun, ikaw.
Ako nga. So, ito pala yung spa. Wow.
excess material from construction to create
Excess material.
yes, from the cut, from trimming. Like, iba naman from, but he got it from our owner kung anong concept. Nag-match. Parang,
Wala naman!
So, ito pala yung cabana. Dito kami later ni Viviani. And then, mamaya din naman si Darren.
deep shot. So, in the morning, sunrise is best here. Diyan kasi.
Really?
And then, for me, the best view pa din of the sunset is nandun sa sunset deck.
Cute!
Ganyan pala magsabong ang mahiyan.
Sorry ako, kahit wala akong gym.
Kita yung phone.
You heard it first!
Hi guys! Hi guys!
So pupunta lang kami ng spa, tapos yung outfit namin, gusto namin
As a madam.
munyeka ka rin.
Madam mga take
Kung
first.
si Heart,
Today's-
bumibili siya ng corned beef ng naka-Hermes. Kami, munyeka ka. Bango. The shots we do now.
Also good yung massage kanina. Love it.
Sobrang bongga ng CR. I love it. Picture. Pasta, pasta, pasta.
Sarap. 10 out of 10. Bagal mo. Yung wala kasi nakakataon ng negative energy, tapos siya positive energy. Nakukuha niya yung negative energy, pinapalit niya rin ng positive. So gusto niya ito si bakla, iuwi yung malaking batong gaga. Sabi ko lang, gusto ko lang ganon. Uwi ko yun. Wala na yung coconut. Meron coconut, nakuha ko lang.
Ito dito sa gilid.
Good morning! It's our
Third day.
third day. And dapat mag-ano kami?
Dapat may island hopping.
Dapat may island hopping! Pero,
Super windy.
Hindi pa kaya ng current situation.
nakakaloka.
As in, nagiging kwento talaga kami, maging finding Nemo talaga.
Anyway, so ngayon, papunta tayo sa
Helipad.
helipad. Pakit lang.
Just wait for the helicopter.
True. Sana may helicopter. Pasundo! Ito na po ang helipad. Yay!
Okay na yan.
Twerk ka, Dili. Twerk, twerk, twerk. Retreat talaga to.
Medyo mahirap try mo.
Where are we going?
We're going to the back cave. Before that, meron tayong
Shoes!
shoe.
Pa-shoes!
Thank you. But be safe when naglalakad dito.
Is it slippery?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Hi guys, we're going to the Batman Cave. Denise, nandito pa si Batman. Sleeping pa.
Sleeping pa.
One more. One more. Bat Cave.
Wow.
Next to the main resort.
Actually.
Hindi ko alam na hiking pala to, girl.
I see. But there's two ways naman how to get there. If you want to do the rope thing or just walk.
And then yan yung papunta ng ocean. Grabe. So, nakasurvive na po kami. At na-realize namin, si Diani lang ang magsusurvive. Kung nagkaroon man ng survival churros.
Pag na-stranded sa cave, ako lang yung magsusunod.
Siya lang yung magsusurvive. Wow! Wow! Ay, ang cute.
Parang doon ako mamaya sa gitna.
Zaya, I really want
So how long have you been working with Manami?
one of the pioneers ako. So I started as a sales and marketing.
Ito din, Negra.
Yes, Laco Negro. Bacolod.
Nag-shop!
Ano sir?
Medium.
Ano medium sir? Bago po na bago yung ano po sa labas.
Wow! Ganda! So, after umulan,
Dagat ang laman
isip namin mag-snorkeling. Wow!
Oh.
Wow! What's this?
I actually don't know.
Hopefully tomorrow makapag-boat tour na talaga. Hopefully.
Hi guys, good morning! Eh, happy 4th day. Second to the last day na namin. And still umuulan. Wala rin hanggang boat tour or any activities. So sabi nga ni Daryl, staycation na lang siya. Hindi perfect. At least maganda yung place namin for staycation.
Breakfast in bed.
I know.
Gusto ko lang magpasalamat kay Ray. Salamat kasi tinanggap mo siya ng buong buo, especially the kids.
I will live with you in an understanding way, being thoughtful of your needs.
Sobrang ganda kahit gloomy. Ang ganda pa rin. Saka wala masyadong bato. Tapos ang daming shells na super cute. Ito yung place na babalikan at babalikan ko. Just so peaceful. I think I found myself na, sobrang na-excite kami kumain. Look. Kasi ang ganda-ganda. Grabe. Sobrang fresh. Sobrang...
Tapos may scallops. Tapos may crabs ulit.
Tapos may crabs kami. Yung crabs namin, ang bait nila kasi sila yung naghihimay for us. See? May naghihimay for us.
Ito. Ito yung himay na crab. Oh, ang ganda pa ng presentation. Thank you. Ito yung sauce ng crab. Ooh. Bongga. Bye guys!
Bye! Thank you for the
Oh, thank you. Nice. Thank you for slowing down with us. I hope this reminded you that rest is also something worth chasing.